First, I am totally do not agree. Why? You know why? Because in this country, this is not Saudi Arabia. We have no Islamic Muslim rules. We have no Muslim law. So when those people gonna be, how to say berzinahan English?
Fornication.
Fornication. Just ask to Allah and then
Fornication.
ask a dua to Allah and then, Ya Allah, I am a bad sinner. Just forgive my mistake. Just because this country is not, Islamic country. You know what? We have no Islamic rule. It's in Indonesia. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. We have no that. No man, it's in Indonesia. This country in Aksa, in Arabia. Yeah. When somebody steal good corruption, just now and then cut the time. Second item just steal, robber, suicide, left hand, right hand, left feet, right feet, everything. Just cutting hand, man. You know what? By judge, by prosecutor. But if the